Wakey, wakey, Upper East Siders. And who am I? That's a secret I'll never tell. Just kidding. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are staying safe and staying indoors. Today is a very fun video because I take you guys through the crazy day that happens in my life. Welcome to a day in my life. Here's just me sipping coffee, sitting on my railing. I just like to take these 5 minutes out of my busy day that's about to hit me. Having these moments just with myself. I'm total filmy, right? दिन का filmy moment तो बनता है. And this is my view that I have in the morning. So serene and beautiful. Here with my parents. I'm in a different country altogether, so I just take few moments in the morning to talk to them for like 5 to 10 minutes because that honestly makes their day and gives me so much strength in the morning. And it's time to do my makeup and get ready for shooting because obviously time ho chuka hai. I love my nude palette. Have I told you guys how much I actually enjoy my nude palette? And of course mascara. I style my hair often for the videos because I love experimenting with my hair. So guys, I'm almost ready for my first shoot and I'm gonna put on some music. So let's get this party started. बिना यहाँ मेरी सांसें जैसे बिना निंदियाँ गिराते हैं तो और तू ही मेरे दिल की रज़ा है तेरे बिना दिल भी खफा मैं तो हिल गया कोई मिल गया मिल ही गया मिल गया
Take it back now, y'all. One hop this time. Right foot, let's stomp. Left foot, let's stomp. Cha-cha, real slow.
Yes, that was my crazy family. Every weekend we get together, have these sessions where we are either singing, playing antakshari, playing charades, or this time dancing. It brings us joy and it gives me a feeling of like they are here with me. Right now I am super hungry after shooting and dancing so much. I'm gonna go and make breakfast. Yes, that's the first meal of my day right now. It's 2 o'clock. I'm gonna go make breakfast, and in breakfast we are making waffles, avocado toast and chai because chai love isn't even a question. Let's go. So we are out here making waffles. I have my waffle mixer. I like my waffles chocolate added to it, like cacao added to it, but she likes them plain buttermilk waffles. So I have this mix because हमने ले लिया था ये mix, but waffles, pancakes, normal all-purpose flour से बना सकते. Then I'm gonna just add a pinch of canola oil. आपके पास जो भी oil है आप use कर सकते हो. I'm just gonna add canola oil and then water. Time to whisk it and mix it all together until there are no lumps. Right now I can see some lumps here. So this is the consistency that we are looking. We have this waffle maker and it's pretty simple to use. Right now it's set at 4 degrees. So this red turns into green and that's when you know it's heated, and then you can pour your waffle in it. Yummy thing in my tummy. Ready my avocado toast, waffles and my maple syrup जो खत्म हो चुका है almost. खत्म हो गया ही है. Some raspberries, bananas and chai because chai is life. I'm gonna mute this part because something was said in the video which was not to be said out. This is just me trying my avocado toast and giving the reaction everybody gives because it's so delicious. Coffee time! This is my favorite coffee and I had it for the first time in one of the expos that I went for my work, and I have been loving this since that time. You can find this on Amazon. It's fried rice and they also have their own shops and I absolutely love them. So if they want to sponsor me, I'll take it. And honestly guys, I am hooked to Ludo. The winner takes it all. I'm gonna go now and get ready to shoot my dance video. I have been learning this dance form since a week now. This video I saw on YouTube. It's by Team Naj. They taught a tutorial on YouTube and the song is called Saki Saki, and I'm super excited to go and try this out. Let's see if I can crack it because this is a new dance form for me, but I'm so super excited to go and shoot this. Let's go. Dinner today we have pizza. We just made the Chicago deep dish pizza and it's all like melting. Looks delicious. It's midnight, it's 12 in the night, and I'm still here shooting my photos because I wanted pitch dark and it's bright till like 8, and then I had other shootings to do. So right now I am sitting with my ring light in front of my mirror, creating the pump ass photo that you guys saw in the last video. And if you have not seen the video, I'm gonna link it here about somewhere so you guys can go and see. That's it for my vlog, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed a day in my life of this quarantine version where we did a lot. We shot an entire video, we also shot one more dance routine and had fun. It was a pretty chill day for the time that I was not there. I was obviously watching Netflix and chilling because in reality that's what people do on weekends. Nobody is like always active. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends and ask them to create another day in their life video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel because I come up with new videos every single Friday, and I will see you guys in the next video very soon. Until then, bye, good night.